Greetings, everybody. Not only is it Friday again, but it is the last Friday of the month. So there are some Android application and game developers who are trying to get in as many sales in. And I've been combing through all of those discounted apps and games so that I could keep the community up to date on my website, playstoresales.com. And in this video, I'm going to be highlighting some of the most popular and my personal favorite app sales that I've seen this week. This first one is for some people who are looking for alternatives to Google Maps. We have the OSM and Plus application, which is normally selling for $20. And while its lowest price was $4.50, right now you can get it for only $9.99. Then we have the OSM Roast Trilogy on Android. I know the first one is currently free. Right now you can get part 2 for only $1, as well as part 3 for only $2. And then we have a number of Dragon Quest games on Android are currently on sale in the Play Store, likely due to the announcement of the new Dragon Quest. I believe it's part 3 that's getting a new reboot. Right now you can get Dragon Quest 2 for $3. You can get the original Dragon Quest for $2. You can get Dragon Quest 3 on Android for $7. You can get Dragon Quest 4 at this time for $9 or $10, which is the lowest price it's ever been on Android. And the famed Dragon Quest 8 is only $15 right now, while Dragon Quest 6 is currently sitting at $10. And these games will go on sale a few times throughout the year, but right now you can see it is at the lowest price ever for many of them. And even Dragon Quest 5 is currently sitting at only $10. Also, the third entry in the 9th Dawn series, Shadow of Ethereal, is close to its lowest price ever at only $5.50 when it's normally priced at $10. And as always, I want to highlight a few apps that typically cost money, but right now are currently free. So if you add these to your account right now, they will stay free forever, such as Mind Games Pro. It's normally priced at $3, but you can get it for free right now. And then we have a few Android icon packs that, again, typically cost $1, but right now you can get them added to your account for nothing. So that wraps up this week's highlights of Android application apps and sales. Again, I post these throughout the week, every single day on the weekday. You'll see many of these I didn't even mention here. And you can find all of them featured on my website, playstoresales.com.